What is up, Chads and Chadettes? It's your boy KJ, and I got a quick update video while we're chilling in the weekend. For the people that watched the video yesterday, the Bitcoin warning, yeah, I mean, it's kind of playing out, right? Isn't it? You should have been prepared. And I got to give you guys some credit, man. Like, I got like 175 likes. More people watched the video. We helped more people. And when I'm on top, when your boy KJ is king, if you guys smash the like button now, comment, whatever, you could be like, hey, I was part of that journey. I helped him get out there. So in 2023, when I'm like 1 million subscribers deep, you'd be like, I was there from the beginning when this motherfucker started doing videos regularly and doing good content. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go through it really quick. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at what happened in the past 24 hours or so. If you watched the video yesterday, yeah, we did issue a warning. This blue moving average, that's the 99 on the hourly. I was very adamant that that needed to hold. I didn't expect it to, and pretty much when it breaks, you get a nice big red bar with a bear flag right here, which then breaks down as well. So let's look at it a little closer. Very simple, big breakdown. It breaks it with force, good volume, clear bear flag, that breaks down. And now we're potentially in another bear flag right here. Spending some time below the 200 moving average on the hourly. Now keep in mind these MAs are lower resolution. So it's not really, you don't want to base too much macro implications off like low resolution MAs. But they are helpful, and we use them in the dojo a lot, at least I do. And let's look a little further out. So we'll look at the 4 hour. You can see this trend line, yellow trend line. This was basically supporting the move along with that 99 MA on the 1 hour. And that broke in this candle as well, and then acts as resistance on the way up in the bear flag that breaks down. This is another nasty looking red bar. You can see the volume starting to pick up. And I don't like what it's doing here. When we look at the daily, you can see it's showing rejection as a 60 moving average, as well as on the 3-day, you have the 21, also a clear rejection. It's going to be interesting to see how this candle closes. Could potentially get worse today. Keep in mind, Mondays are usually not the greatest either. So you definitely want to kind of continue to exercise some caution. If you're like trading lower time frame and you're trading on leverage on BYBIT, check out my link. You get some nice bonuses if you use it. It's in the description. But this 21 moving average on the daily makes a lot of sense to me. As you can see, there's like a lot of price confluence in this range right here. So like, oh, not there. Sorry. You have, if you draw a line across, like look at how many wicks, both on this way, the first time down, a lot of action. On this doji, the bottom of that is here at this level, and you have the 21 moving average on the daily. Like, I think that area probably will provide a bounce, and then you have to see. But in general, like, this is not looking fantastic, and I would love to see it change. And, there are certain things that I'm looking for, but just structurally, I mean, it's really not great. And that can change, and if it does, I'm going to make a video. But in the meantime, what can we do? If you took the advice yesterday, you're probably in better shape than most people. The other thing that I'm looking at is adjusted BTCD. This is you have to pay attention to this guy because it is in a bear flag. I think it's going to continue to go down. However, you see, you took out these lows and it didn't continue downward. BTC is starting to look bearish. And when BTC is looking bearish and this is looking bullish, you have to be really, really concerned about alts and give consideration to shorting them even. Like alts are a short. If this gets bullish and BTC keeps breaking down, alts are where you're going to, shorting alts is where you're going to make money. So for me, this looks like it's going to come up to about 57 at least, in my opinion. Like I think I think that's where, like around here between like 56.5 and 57 is where you really want to see BTC bounce and alts bounce. And if this number breaks above this yellow line here, like around 59, it's really bad. That's going to be really bad. And really good for people that are sitting in cash, actually, because I do believe, like, in general, you want to be a buyer in this range, especially of alts. But this can do one more leg that really kills everybody. And like the people that buy that dip, like you'll hit 100Xs off of it. So definitely going to keep an eye on this guy. And in the meantime, in the trading dojo, actually, I signaled a phantom short a few hours ago, and I just want to explain why. So we were like, I think it was like in here, and phantom was up about 7.5% on the day, and BTC was just looking like shit and looking like it was going to break down again. And you know, when you take a trade like this, like obviously phantom was leading, but you see these wicks up here, it's like BTC, if as a trader your analysis is telling you BTC's got downside, and you get this coin kind of doing like a scam squeeze move but not taking out the highs, like if BTC bounces and reverses, this is likely going to pump harder, and like then you can even, I mean, potentially break out long it. I'm not a big proponent of breakout longs, but it will go higher. But it's, if you're like in here somewhere shorting like around 35 cents, it's very easy to just put your stop above here, and then if BTC continues to roll over, this is going to give you way more gains because it had already put in like 7.5% on the day. And yeah, so I like phantom as a short. It's still got some potential. And if you look, like basically for phantom, you know, I mean, I have been bullish on it. I'll tell you what, if we cross this level, and you know, if you get daily closes above, or even, I don't know, man, like I think if you cross it with force, like then this is going to go all the way up to like 50 cents. But until it does that, you have to assume that this is kind of bearish looking. So really, that's all I got. Bitcoin continuing to look a little dicey. Phantom is like probably the alt that I like to short here. And stay tuned. I will be giving you more content. Like I said, hook me up with those likes, comment, discuss, and everybody have a great weekend. Take care.